In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create and edit shared workbook layouts in Oracle Analytics Cloud and Fusion Data Intelligence. Shared workbook layouts allow you to create layout templates, enabling the reuse of high-quality designs across multiple projects in my instance. In this scenario, I want to organize a canvas layout and save it as a template for future projects. I'll begin on the home page by selecting Create, then Workbook, and choosing my dataset. I'll choose Select a Layout. There are two default shared workbook layouts, Filter Left and Filter Top. I'll select Filter Left to start. This default layout includes sections for suggested visualization types, which I can quickly populate by dragging measures and attributes or by selecting the visualization and adding columns to the grammar pane. I'll first populate the dashboard filter controls, then tile visualizations and line charts. I can easily populate these visualization sections with charts generated by tools on the Auto Insights tab. I can select charts from my watch lists or from Auto Insights generated from this data, and simply drag them onto the canvas. I can also prompt the assistant with natural language questions to generate visualizations. In this case, I'll open the Insights tab and drag the relevant auto-generated visualizations onto the canvas. I can also delete visualizations or move them to fit my needs, just like any other canvas. To use this layout format I just created for future workbooks, I'll select the Canvas Action menu and then Save as Shared Layout. I'll name this shared layout my Filter Top and save it. Now when I create new canvases and select a layout, I see my custom layout as an option. This layout is accessible in any workbook I'm working on, and any user in this instance with author permissions can use this layout in their workbooks. I can define settings for these shared workbooks in the console, so I'll save my workbook and exit back to the home page. In the navigator, I'll choose Console. In the console, I'll scroll down to Layouts and Themes. Here I see the layouts available in this instance, including the default layouts and the one I created. The layout I created is classified as read-write. This means other users can save a layout called my filter top and overwrite the one I made. I'll leave it as read-write for this example. The two default layouts are read-only and cannot be altered. I can also deselect any layouts, like filter left, so that they don't appear for users. I'll test this by creating a new workbook using different data, like the CX activity subject area. When I choose Select a Layout, I see the updated list of available shared layouts, now without the filter left layout as intended. And because my filter top custom layout was set to read-write, I have the ability to edit and save it. For example, if I remove the tile visualization section, then select Save as Shared Layout, I can select my filter top layout and choose Save to overwrite the existing layout. In contrast, if I select the default filter top, which has the read-only setting, the save option is not available. By editing shared layouts, I can create high-quality custom layouts that my colleagues can use across my organization, improving flexibility and efficiency for workbook authors. Find more information and resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud and Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.